In this video, I will show you how to use Python programming language with Arduino board, so that we can write the program in Python software, Python IDE, and we can run this code on the Arduino board. So first of all, we need Arduino IDE, so we can install Arduino IDE from www.arduino.cc. Then another thing is that required is Pyfirmata module package. We need to install this Pyfirmata module. For that, you can visit pypy.org. To install this Pyfirmata package, you have to first of all open the path of the Python software on the command prompt, and then you have to write pip install Pyfirmata to install the Pyfirmata package on the computer. You have an active internet connection, okay, to install this Pyfirmata package on the computer. So as we will open Arduino, here we are using Arduino 1.8.30. You have to go to file, and then first of all we have to check our Python board. Okay, we will connect Arduino Uno board, okay, with the computer. So let me connect the board first. As we will connect the board, you can see the port is at which the Arduino board is connected, that is COM13. So we have to use this COM13 is the port. The second step is that in which we have to go to file. Inside the file there is an example. Inside example we have to go to Firmata, and inside Firmata there is standard Firmata. So click on the standard Firmata. And complete Arduino code will open. You have to compile this code. So after compilation, you can see done compiling message is there. You have to upload this code on the Arduino board. You can see the message is printed which is done uploading. So we have uploaded this standard Firmata code on our Arduino board. So now we can work with the Python programming language on this Arduino board. So now let us open Python IDE shell. You can see Python 3.8.3 version is used here, and to check the connection of the Arduino board with our this Python IDE shell. For that, first of all, we will import Pyfirmata, so that we will check that our module is installed or not. So it doesn't give any error, so we can say that Pyfirmata package is properly installed on the system. Now to check the connection, we have already checked our Arduino board, okay, which is connected on COM13 port. We can also check it from the device manager. Here board is equal to Pyfirmata COM13. Then we can write board.digital. You can see our LED is connected at pin number 11 of the Arduino, so we will mention the pin number here. Okay. So here we are accessing this pin number 11 digitally, so board.digital. Then we have to write pin number. Then we can perform the operation by read or write. So if you want to write this pin with either 1 or 0, so we can mention 1. So you can see LEDs turning on. Similarly, if I write board dot digital 11 dot write 0, so the LED is turning off. So this is how we can work with Python programming language on the Arduino board. Thank you for watching.